to Funtales factory. Today we are going on an exciting adventure to meet some amazing farm animals. Let's go! Here comes our friendly farm giant, the Mootastic cow. Meet our fluffy and gentle friend, the woolly sheep. Paddle over to say hello to our honking friend, the graceful goose. Gobble gobble, meet our festive farm friend, the turkey. Gallop into fun with our majestic and speedy friend, the horse. Get ready to cluck along with the busy peckers of the farm, the cheerful chickens. Meet our playful jumper farm buddy, the goat. Let's oink and roll in the mud with our jolly farm buddy, the pig. Woof woof! Say hi to our loyal and playful farm buddy, the dog. Say hello to our hard-working and loyal friend, the donkey. Quack quack! Let's splash around with our feathered friend, duck. Rise and shine with farm's loudest alarm clock, the rooster. Hop along with our adorable and cuddly friend, the rabbit. Now that you have learned the names of the farm animals, tell the name of the following animals that you see. It's a cow. It's a sheep. Goose. A turkey. Is a horse. It's a chicken. A goat. A pig. Dog. Donkey. A duck. A rooster. A rabbit. Write to us if you want to grab some amazing worksheets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.